Claude Cowork is hands down the most powerful AI tool you can use right now as a non-technical founder. It can read your files, connect to your apps, and run tasks while you sleep.
Bro, my wife doesn't know this much about me.
Right, so level 1, we have import. This is basically how we bring our memory and data from our other large language models like ChatGPT or Gemini directly into Claude. And if you're like me, you probably were procrastinating switching to Claude because that means you had to start from scratch.
3 years of chats and the AI remembers all of it. That's a little scary if you think about it. But okay, today it's useful.
And this can take lots of time to try to go back and forth with Claude for it to understand you and your business. I'm going to show you this one hack that allows you to give Claude a prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will export your memory, and all you have to do is paste that back into Claude, and this will be set up in under 60 seconds.
Now watch what he does with all that information. This is the smart part.
Inside of our level 2, which is foundation, that I'm going to add is my goals MD. So this is crucial because Claude Cowork, if it can understand our goals on like a 3-month basis, a weekly basis, a year basis, it's going to help me do the things that I need to do in order to accomplish these goals.
My kids don't read my notes. My staff don't read my notes, but this thing reads them every single time. Maybe I should hire it for my house too.
So for example, what goes into this markdown file is my North Star. So whether that is to grow to 100,000 subscribers by Q3, or, break down my big quarterly goals or weekly priorities, all these different things. And the reason that this matters is because without goals, Claude is going to give us very generic responses.
Okay, but the next part is where it gets a little too powerful.
Now, moving on to level 3, we have workflows, and this is really what takes Claude Cowork to the next level. So what exactly is a workflow in this specific system? And they are called plugins. Think of plugins as skill packs for every single job.
One pack for legal, one for finance, one for HR. It's like a job shop. And here I am, still paying my nephew to fix my Excel.
So productivity, marketing, sales, finance, HR, design, all these different specific departments for your company, they now have skill packs that we could upload directly into our Cowork system and begin using automatically. And on top of that, not only do we have pre-built plugins we could access directly in Cowork, which I'm going to show you how to do right after this.
But hold on, a worker with no phone and no email is useless. Watch this next part.
All right, moving on to level 4 of Cowork. And this is ecosystem, because you're probably asking like, Brock, if I want to think of Claude Cowork as an employee, how can that be the case if they don't have connections to all of the apps that I use? So whether you use Gmail or Notion or Slack or so many other applications, it's really important that we give Cowork the access that it needs to our specific applications.
I open Gmail and forget why I opened it. This thing reads email, checks the calendar, and writes a reply. All in one go. No tea break, no complaints, no sorry, bye, I forgot.
So for example, with one command or one prompt, we can now access 4 different applications when we combine the connectors with the workflows that we created earlier on in this video. So for example, with one prompt, we can now have it read my emails inside of Gmail. It could check conflicts in my Google Calendar. It could draft a reply in Gmail.
But the last step is the one that shocked me the most.
We're moving on to level 5, and this is maybe the most important one because this is where we could tap into the power of automation.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
This is a new feature that they just added last week that allows you to schedule anything to run without you, whether that's daily briefs, weekly reports, generating documents, recurring tasks, all these different things you can now do inside of Cowork.
But listen, don't get too excited. Right after this, he quietly says, the laptop must stay open all night. So the AI sleeps only if your laptop doesn't. There's always a small but hiding somewhere.
So for example, my morning brief that runs every single day at 7 a.m., it reads the Claude MD file, the goals MD file, and the task MD file. It will check my email in my Google Calendar, and then it will actually send me a daily briefing to read.
It's not magic money. It's a hardworking helper with one funny rule. Now you know all 5 levels. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.